What's going on, everybody? This is Spanner down here at Sinlaw RV Center in Alexandria, Louisiana, and today we're sitting in the 2026 Jayco North Point 390 CKDS, and this thing is a showstopper. We're going to jump into it. We're going to have the nice spot for a coffee maker here. It's going to have the pantry. It's got the motion sensor lights inside there. Even has plugs inside. Full residential fridge, got the ice maker. We're gonna have the electric oven, and it's gonna have a 4-burner gas range on top, and then an air fryer, convection microwave. Big smart TV, it's gonna be on the track system, so it'll go up and down inside that cabinet there. Sound bar and fireplace below that. And then come up here to the bunks.
Whoa!
We're gonna have 2 large sleeping areas here. You got cell phone charging ports up there. You can even put a TV up there in that middle spot inside the loft. The ottoman here, it's going to have storage inside it. We have this one with the theater seating, so it's going to be the heated massage theater seating. It's going to have the 2 side trays. It's got the blackout day and night shades all throughout the camper. And then the dinette is going to be able to pull out, and it has the 2 extra chairs with that. The charging ports, USB, speed charger. This goes down inside there. You can set your phone on top of there and charge it wirelessly. And it even has the built-in vacuum. So you can sweep everything up to this point, and then it'll lift it up with your foot and you'll suck it out. Or it's got the hose you can hook to this port and then vacuum everything out from one end to the other. Here's the in-command system. Everything's controlled on there. You can do it on there, on your phone. That controls the auto leveling, the lights, air conditioners, everything. And it even has, I love this, double trash cans, cutting board. You can chop everything up and just off in there. Nice feature. Everything's real wood cabinets. It's got the TikTok sink with the glass washer. Soap dispenser. This will pull down, and it's got some inserts and cutting boards that go over the top of here. Now, coming to the back, this is going to be the spare bedroom. You're going to have 2 closets on either side, dresser space below, 32-inch smart TV there, and we're going to have a queen-size bed. It's going to have charging ports and the reading lights above. And then we come out here to the bathroom, porcelain commode, and it's got that door that goes out the back. I think it's great if you got guests. You know, they can come in and out as they want, and they're not going through the other end of the camper. No floor vents in the floor. It's all 5/8 tongue and groove plywood. It's been proven. You cut holes in it, it's going to weaken it down. Master bathroom, big medicine cabinet. It's going to have the shower with the multiple shower heads and the wand, and you even have the seat. That seat's going to flip up and down. It gives you plenty of head space inside there. Nice linen closet and porcelain commode. Coming to the master bedroom, king size bed, closet space here, and it's going to also have the motion sensor lights in it, dirty clothes hamper, and then this is going to be where your washer and dryer goes, or if you don't want the washer and dryer, a lot of extra closet space. This will flip up. This is kind of a good hideaway if you got you know, a gun, wallet, money, things you don't want people to see. Smart TV in here as well, some nice accent lighting. Every room's going to have these panels in it. That's going to control all the lights for the room that you're in. It's prepped for the security camera at the door, and these are thermostats, so you can set one temperature in one end, another temperature in the other end of the camper, and it's going to maintain itself off those different thermostats. Jayco is known for their 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, which no one else does. So if you're looking for something that's extremely well built, that's going to last, these Jaycos are by far one of the best built models for the price. So if you'd like more information, you can call me, text me, 318-541-9689. Thank y'all for watching.